Hello students, today we are going to do a small worksheet on cleanliness and hygiene. This is a science chapter for class 5. Let's start. Write two examples of diseases caused by bacteria. What are the different diseases that are caused by the bacteria? Yes, these are typhoid. The first disease is typhoid. And other one is cholera. Next, diseases spread by water. The same diseases are spread by the water also. That is typhoid and cholera. Fine. Food and water both are included in this. The disease spread by the water and food are typhoid and cholera, because this is the bacteria which is present in the food which is causing the diseases. Next is diseases spread through air. These are cold. And next one is flu. Cold and flu. These are the two diseases which are caused by air. Next is diseases spread through mosquito bite. You know that one disease which is very common spread through mosquito bite, which is malaria. Malaria is the disease which is spread by the mosquito bite. Next is yellow fever. Yellow fever. Now next disease is spread by direct contact. That means when we touch each other, then these kind of diseases will be spread. So one is smallpox. Smallpox is a disease which is caused by direct contact when we touch each other. And another one is ringworm. Ringworm is another disease which is caused by direct contact. Fine. Then next question in this is non-biodegradable waste. You have to write down the examples of non-biodegradable waste. So these are the plastic bags. Plastic bags. What else? Plastic bags. Metal cans. You drink the cold drinks in these cans. Then comes biodegradable waste. This is food waste. So leftover food will be included in this. Food waste and paper waste. Paper is also biodegradable. So food waste and paper waste will be included in this. Next is diseases controlled by vaccination. That is tetanus and polio. Fine. So these are the diseases which are being controlled by the. Start with our next question, which is fill-ups. The principle of maintaining cleanliness and grooming for our body is, yes, personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. Fine. So the principle of maintaining cleanliness and grooming of our body is called as personal hygiene. The practice of keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean is called, this is called as hygiene. So personal hygiene, when we are cleaning, keeping our body clean, when we are keeping ourselves as well as our surrounding clean, that is your hygiene. The disease which is spread by the personal contact, dirty water or food are called, what are these diseases? These are called as communicable diseases. Communicable diseases. DISEASES. So communicable diseases which spread from one person to another person. The garbage that comes from plants, and animals is biodegradable. Biodegradable. Right? So biodegradable waste, that is coming from plants as well as animals. Making new things from the old ones is called as recycling. Recycling. Fine. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.